friends, how are you doing today? We are going to do an apple pie granola. This is, I've made this several times and I love it. It hits the sweet, it hits the sweet, the crunchy, that combined like savory, it just like hits all the notes for me. And it's really simple. So we are going to be using the apple pie function. Remember our functional latte. Sorry, forgot the latte word. It does come in sticks now, but I happen to still have some in a bag. I've got a half a cup of whipped cream, a cup of granola. You can make your own. You can, of course, use store-bought, which is I have here. This one I get at Sam's Club that I really like. It's got almonds in it. It's like a honey vanilla almond flavor mix. So I've grabbed that. And then I also have some chopped apple. And our matcha that we're going to be using for March Matcha Madness is our sweet cinnamon roll. I picked this one, and there are other ones that you could definitely use. But I like this one because it has the cinnamon, which adds to the flavor right with apple pie, and the vanilla, kind of like a vanilla ice cream with apple pie, right? But I've used, if you have our old sweet cinnamon matcha, vanilla matcha, those would be really good in there. Or maybe you have another great idea of another matcha flavor that you would like. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off by adding our matcha to our granola. I'm going to use a half teaspoon, which is 1 serving. I've got my matcha spoon. Remember, they're nice and long for your bag so that you don't end up with green hands. I'm going to go ahead and just add that to my bowl there. And then I'm going to mix this up. Now, heck, you might stop right here and just enjoy your granola and your matcha, but you know, we always got to mix it up. So just blend that in really good. You want to get your granola covered with your matcha. Okay. Oh, and also besides granola, if you like grape nut cereal, I've done it with grape nut cereal too. And then I've like thrown some almonds into the mix. All right, so that is done. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our whipped cream. I am going to grab the apple pie functional latte. If you're using the stick, just dump your stick in here. And I'm going to go ahead and add my apple pie functional latte. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this up. I probably should have grabbed a little bigger bowl to mix it up. So bear with me while I try and do this without getting it everywhere. And then, so the next step then is that we'll add our chopped apple, and then we're going to top it off with this whipped cream mix. I'm laughing because my older dog, my Ellie, she is almost 14 and she's having a little problem doing steps. She took herself downstairs and took a nap. And now she's barking at the bottom of the steps because she wants me to come pick her up. She'll have to wait a minute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just add this right on top. And if you wanted to, you could even like sprinkle some cinnamon or nutmeg right on top of this. You guys, I will tell you, this like hits my whole dessert craving. And it is like healthy. I mean, this is like a breakfast, lunch, snack, right? There you go. One perfect apple pie granola bowl. All right. Have a great one, and I will see you later.